Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're, please don't forget to subscribe down below if you like my content. I will be very happy to welcome you into our community. And today I just wanted to do a simple get ready with me. It is Easter today, so happy Easter to everyone. I will try not to speak too loud because my daughters are normally asleep. But yeah, if you want to spend some time with me playing with makeup, then keep on watching. I did the eyebrows, I put my Plouise base on, I put some cream eyeshadow, not the texture cream, the color cream under the brows to help blending. And today I want to use this palette, the Neon palette from Huda Beauty. It's the coral orangey one, looking just like that. And you know, I just want to play with makeup and talking with you guys. So tell me how you're doing. For the moment, I'm fine. I'm having actually some contractions, but I saw my gynecologist and she told me that nothing moved down below. I'm still, you know, like closed, so no worries, because for the moment I am at 35 weeks, so I still have some time to wait. So tell me down below what you did for Easter, what are your plans, if you have any. I'm just staying with my family, you know, my husband and my kids, because obviously we are not moving, my family neither, but we will call each other at 4 p.m. this afternoon. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. They are all married except my younger sister, and they all have kids except my younger sister. So it will be fun to see everyone, even if it is through a phone or computer. So tell me down below, do you have any kids? Did they find the chocolate in the garden? We have a garden, so they were searching for the chocolate in the garden this morning. And they were so excited. Those colors are so pretty. I don't know why at the moment I'm really drawn to yellow, coral, oranges. I really wanted as well to thank everybody for coming back to my channel, commenting on the videos and liking the videos, because that really helped me to grow on YouTube and give me some confidence. Because I am not the more confident person on the planet. I'm really trying to see qualities in me and that kind of stuff, but sometimes it's really hard, and I have this horrible need, not like a need, but I am used to compare myself, you know, with other people. So for example, on YouTube here, I'm like, oh my god, this person, she's growing so fast. Not like jealousy, but more like, what am I doing wrong? I knew that I wasn't interesting enough. People don't like my content. I'm just boring or useless. It's just useless what I'm doing. You know, I have this bad habit to see the negativity and to see myself not in a good light. So I'm really trying to work on that, because I know it's not healthy at all. But yeah, so I really, when I'm saying that, I really appreciate the support, the viewers, the people who comment. It's really true, you know, that really touches my heart to see that some people like what I'm doing, because yeah, that helped me grow my confidence that it's really thin. So thank you so very much. To deepen, I'm gonna use the shade Dance Party from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette volume 2. Tell me as well down below if you have any issues with self-confidence. I know that I talked to some of you guys on Instagram. I'm not gonna say any name because this is their lives. So I don't want to be like, oh yeah, this person doesn't have confidence in herself, you know what I mean? Yeah, I know that I talked to some of you guys and you have some difficulties as well to see yourself in a positive way. I think it's so hard those days to learn the value of yourself because it's a question of numbers and who's the best and you know, that kind of stuff. I just realized that I could have used this color to deepen everything, but well, I will use it now. It's funny because at the beginning I really had the habit to do the face first and always the eyes after, but as I'm doing more colorful looks, I think that beginning with the eyes is safer. Tell me down below if you begin with the face or with the eyes most of the time, you know. I don't really feel like cutting the crease. I think I'm too lazy today to do that. I think I'm gonna go with this color, the pink one. I'm just seeing that the neon pink does some patches, so yeah, just be aware of that. I will put now some of this color in the inner corner. I think the best will be to have some glitter glue, but I don't have glitter glue. It's really one of my favorite products. For concealer, I have a sample that I wanted to try. You know, I had a sample for the Giorgi Armani Power Fabric High Coverage Stretchable Concealer. But I had, you know, those colors. So the lighter is number 3. We will see if it's gonna work or not. I never used a sample of concealer before. Okay, so it's liquidy. I hope that I didn't put too much. So yeah, it's not really brightening for me. The shade I think will be better for me lighter, but I think we will be able to make it work. Oh shoot. Shoot. I will fix it later. You know what? I think I'm liking this concealer. The shade actually is okay. It looks really pretty under the eyes. It is really weightless. What am I saying? It's saying full coverage. I have this impression that it's really good coverage, but I put the Becca underneath, so it's really helping to conceal. But I am liking the result. Tell me down below if you have it at home. I'm saying it again. Giorgio Armani Power Fabric High Coverage Stretchable Concealer. Tell me if you have it and what you think of it if you tested it. I'm gonna use again the Maybelline Dream Touch blush. You know, the really old blush that I have. I think it's really natural. I really want to use more cream product. So same, if you have any recommendation for me from cream blush, cream bronzer, cream highlight, tell me down below because I'm really interested. I have some ideas. There are some that I find very pretty but too expensive. For example, the Charlotte Tilbury, the highlight is really pretty but God, so expensive for the amount of product that you're receiving. I know that there is Fenty Beauty that is coming with the bronzer and blush cream. I really want to try those. But if you're a cream person, tell me down below what you recommend. To highlight the inner corner and under the eyebrows, I want to use today the Dior highlight in the color Dior Skin Nude Illuminazer Lolliglow number 7. It's really pretty. I know it's a little bit dark for me for the skin, but sometimes I use it anyway. It's a rose gold, but I don't know, so pretty, don't you think? So I finished up the eyes. Under I just used the color that I used above, which is this color. I used this color as well, and this color in the outer corner. I used as well the Maybelline Master Drama the nudes in the waterline, and the false eyelashes that I am wearing are from Makeup Geek, Graceful. I think they're so pretty. And now we will do the lips, and I have no idea to what I want to do. I am considering the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Copenhague, this one. I have as well the Colourpop Flawless Lipstick, the Emerald Velvet Lip Liquor in Anti-Gravity, which is more cool toned. But I think I'm gonna go for this one because it's been a while I didn't use it and I don't remember exactly the color of it. Maybe the purple, you know, will do. I don't know, we will see. You know, we will test that together. For a lip liner, I'm gonna use the Arcancil Brun Rosé lip liner, color 320. My lips are very dry, so we'll see the result because it's a soft matte, and when my lips are like that, usually it's not that good, but we'll see. It appears to be like an aubergine color. I have to say it is a very agreeable matte. I don't feel dry. It's saying that it's a cream matte, right? Soft matte lip cream. Yeah, and really I have this impression. It's not bothering me on the lips. It's creamy, and my lips were so bad, and you can see we don't really see the default. Yeah, I like it. A little spray to finish up. here you go. I am ready for Easter. So I hope that you liked spending some time with me. It was really agreeable to get ready with you guys. And yeah, like the video if you liked it, obviously. Share with friends who love makeup as well. And I see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.